got the meat. It's about 3.5 pounds, and that's half pork belly and half lean pork meat. Well, this will be in the blink of an eye. Grind this down. First, we use a bigger one, and then we take the 3mm. I guess this is 6. So do this first, and then to the small one. Here we got the spice mix and the salt. First we mix the salt and spices. Meat is still slightly frozen, so it doesn't smear in the grinder. First we put that back in the freezer for some time, so it's got a little bit frozen. It's easier to work with. We replace the grinder plate. We switch to the fine one. Keep everything clean as possible. Okay, now we're going to wait till the meat is frozen 3/4 of an hour, and we will go on. Everything is a little bit frozen. By the way, if this takes too long, you better clean your equipment, especially if you live in a warm environment or area. You should clean your stuff. I don't want to get you sick or ill or whatever you call it. Okay, let's go on. Second turn. Okay, that was it. Now I'm gonna show you how you can save you some work by cleaning the grinder plate. Here we got the piece of bread I'm gonna use to get the rest out of the machine. See, this is getting a little bit more out of there. You can tell there's a little bit of bread came through. It doesn't matter. So we take a little bit of ice water and go to mix everything. Do this till you get a sticky consistency. Okay. Take our filler. This one holds about 5 pound meat, so it will not be full all the way. I also got a bigger one that holds about 10 pound, but don't need that right now. So that's what it looks like. This sausage, we use sheep casing. Okay, this was a little one. Probably need around 10 yards. Let it sit there for a few minutes so we'll get soft. Okay, take the cutting board away. Oh, don't need that right now. Wipe that up a little bit. So. There was some air in there we don't want. Ah, shoot. Yeah, that can happen. I mean, the problem is the horn from the filler is very small for this sausage. I mean, for this casing. And this is the result, small sausages. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. So sorry for not trying, but they are gone before I get some.